Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 Range Rover from any screen. If you can either click nav here, or if you're on the home screen, you've got destination entry there. Just click destination entry. As I was saying before, really simple controls on the Range Rover, dead easy to use, really intuitive. So all you have to do then is postcode, Weir Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. And again, it goes to numbers. Some sat navs don't go to numbers, and you have to mess about changing over. But this does. So it's PR5 for some sat navs with, if you've only got 2 numbers in the postcode, some sat navs you have to put a space in, but again, you don't in the Range Rover one. So PR5 4JS. Click OK, and then go. Destination's been set. It says it's saying destination's nearby. Well, it's very nearby because we're sat in the forecourt. But that's how you do it.